In this video, we learn how to solve binomial distribution example by using MS Excel. This example already solved, so answers are x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Probabilities are given, already calculated. Now we click here. First we write down here x, values of x. Values of x are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we have to find out probability of x. Type here p of x. Now number of trials. Now number of trials are 4. We type here 4. Now probability in percentage. Now probability is 1 by 2, that is 0.5. So we write down here 50%. Now we created column x, then p of x, then number of trials, and then probability. And probability is in terms of percentage. Now we click here and then go to formulas, more function, statistical, and then binomial distribution. Now here numbers denote values of x. We click on this value. Here it is 0. Also here it is 0. Now trials. Number of trials are 4. 4. Now number of trials are fixed. So we put in dollar. Now probability is 0.5. So we put in dollar form because this is constant. Now we don't want cumulative, so we type here false. Now our setup is ready. Now I am clicking OK. Now the answer is 0.0625. You can verify this answer. Here it is also 0.0625. Now just drag. Now the answers are same: 0.25, 0.25, 0.375, 0.375, 0.25, 0.25, 0.0625, 0.0625. By using this method, you can verify your answers. I am repeating one more time. Going to more function, statistical, and binomial distribution.